Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to effortlessly install this beautiful kinky wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this kinky wig. This wig is from Atinahair company. I've actually tried their wigs several times, and let me tell you, this one did not disappoint at all. As you guys can see, the density of this wig is something else. It's really full, and it's a kinky wig, straight long one. You can style it anyhow you want it. Like I can do like a braid in front of it if I want to do it. It's a 360 wig, so you can pack it up if you want it. Like it's really versatile. You can do anything you want to do with this wig. And with this wig come different lace. They have the brown lace and the transparent lace, and as you guys can see, the way the front looks, like it looks so natural. Like it's the lace they use on this wig is absolutely amazing because it looks so natural. I'm actually loving it. I don't have to do anything. I didn't have to bleach anything, seriously. I just installed it. I'm going to show you guys everything in the video. So like I said, it didn't take me much time to install this wig. I'm just going to go ahead and dive into the video. I'm going to put all the specs and links and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below as usual. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. So it came with all these accessories. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the wig looks like. So guys, this is the wig. Like I said earlier on, the density of the wig is something else. It's really full. And right here we have the transparent lace as well, so you don't have to bleach it. So right here we have the crystal lace and the transparent lace. So before I install the wig, I like to apply my foundation on it. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Then here, I'm going to install the wig. Right here, I'm just cutting out the lace in front. Earlier on, I cut out the lace at the back. Like I told you, this is a 360 wig, so I cut out the lace at the back. So right here, I'm cutting out the lace in front. After cutting out the lace, I'm going to spray a little bit of my beard head spray. That's the only thing I'm going to use. I will not be using got-to-be glue gel. I'm just going to spray this beard head spray, and then I'll tie a scarf on it and leave it for like 10 minutes to dry. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf. And then right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my heat protectant oil. Then I just decided to apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is totally optional, but I decided to apply it to make it even softer. So here I'm going to take my hot comb and start combing out the hair. That is why I applied my heat protectant oil, so in order to protect the hair, since I'm going to use the hot comb. So now I'm going to use the hot comb to brush it properly, to lay it very flat. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful. It looks so natural. I really love it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.